Я вдячний Сполученим Штатам за схвалення нового пакету підтримки України.
Я вдячний народу Америки, всім нашим друзям в Конгресі, адміністрації за цю підтримку.
I just want to thank for your support and support first of all for people.
Ми поважаємо все, що Сполучені Штати Америки роблять для України. Хочемо подякувати за підтримку двопалатну, двопартійну, підтримку суспільства Сполучених Штатів Америки.
Thank you for your support, every American citizen. Please know that you support not just a country or its leader, you support millions of people who, like you, cherish freedom. Special thanks to the many American veterans who have volunteered to fight in Ukraine, and to the American people for the amazing support you have given Ukraine. All my appreciations from my heart, from the heart of Ukrainians. I want to thank you, all of you. I thank every American family. Thanks to President Biden, and I thank you all.
Thank you very much to you, to Congress, bipartisan support, to White House, to President.
We, Ukrainians, will always be grateful to the U.S. and every American for an extraordinary support. And there is not a soul in Ukraine that does not feel gratitude to you, America. Thanks to Secretary Austin, Chairman Brown, Secretary Del Toro, and Secretary Wormuth for all your invaluable support to the Ukrainian Navy and Army. Thank you very much. I'm glad to be here and personally thank you and tell you how what we've achieved together, defending life and freedom. Thank you very much. Mr. President, thank you very much for your supporting us.
We're very thankful for President, his administration, Congress, bipartisan, of course, support.
Я вдячний кожному в Сполучених Штатах.
Дякую особисто спікеру Майку Джонсону, усім американським серцям.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. First of all, thank you so much for your significant support, your administration. We are very thankful from all Ukrainians to your military support, financial support, humanitarian one.
Mr. President, thank you, your team. I would also like to thank the United States Congress for their support, both parties, both chambers. Thank you, and thanks to every American heart that does not betray freedom and supports us.
Дякую тобі, Америка.
Mr. McConnell, I'm grateful for your firmness in defending freedom and for your visits to Ukraine to see how important it is to win now. I'm grateful to all Americans for their vital and your strong support. I thanked America, all our friends in America and all Americans who support Ukraine, our people, our freedom, our independence in this terrible war started by Russia. Mr. President, thank you for your strong support, for the decision that are helping us protect Ukrainians, our home. We deeply appreciate that Ukraine and America have stood side by side from the very first moments of this terrible Russian invasion. And we are grateful to America for supporting Ukraine.
Я дякую всім американцям.
За це вдячний пану секретарю і вдячний президенту Трампу.
Я вдячний президенту за щирий інтерес до наших спільних можливостей, до того, як ми можемо разом наблизити справжній мир. Дякую усім в Америці за двопартійну підтримку.